Well, good afternoon. This video is brought to you by Acqua Spumante, and it's really to demonstrate what can be done to recondition some of the early Streamline models of Sparklets soda siphon. So what we've got here in front of us is a range of Streamline versions from, I think, in this case, American one, from probably late 30s, early 40s, not in particular decorative care. English Streamline, another English Streamline, slightly earlier period, and this one is a new Streamline, probably from the cusp between the earlier ones and the ones which had a much simpler head pattern. Now, what all of these have got in common is that they all feature a rubber seal in, let's have a look, in the head. This is the head from the later model, which has been disassembled. But what are they all featured is, I think you can probably just about see it in there. Is they had a rubber seal, a large rubber seal, like this, which goes in there, and underneath that you would have found a piercing pin. Oops. Like that. Which is part of a spring-loaded assembly, which looks like that, in which there is a piercing pin, which is a hollow heavy-duty hypodermic, spring underneath to tension it, and that compresses slightly with this piercing pin assembly on top. And then under that is a rather strange looking screw, which I'll bring in as close as I can, like that. And that consists of a hollow screw, maybe I'll just better see the hole in the end there, going down into the stem with a couple of cross-drilled holes, and then, you may not be able to see it, in here is a tiny little rubber seal set into the screw. Now that's all assembled inside the head from the inside. So in this example, and it's similar for the early ones as well, you've got a recess in here, there, into which the screw goes, like that, and then you need to hold that in place with a screwdriver, and on the inside this is where you'd have the piercing pin. So that's the piercing pin assembly, and that goes in there, right, like that. And then you have to use a special screwdriver. That's what we've got here, and this screwdriver tip fits into there and holds it, and that allows you to screw the whole thing together. So what we can do here is engage it on the piercing pin, push it in, and tighten it up, screwdriver. So you'd engage it and tighten it up like that, holding the thread, holding the screw on the inside, and then you put, you see it like this, in there, and then there's a threaded ring. Goes in there, holds it in place. And similarly, when you disassemble it, you need to get a screwdriver, engage it in the slot inside the head. You can do that. There we are. And then use this special thing and feed it in there, engage it and unscrew it. And we'll do that again. We're doing this very well. Bit awkward. There we are, all comes out. There you have it. So we've got this special screwdriver here, which I don't know if you can see that. Engages in there, allows you to unscrew it. Now, this special screwdriver bit has been precision ground by us, ground for us, and is designed to fit this without any issues. There are other ways of doing it, but they're rather awkward. And this allows you to get a good purchase on the parts and get them undone. And this is especially important when you get one of these and you find that they're a little bit seized up and you don't want to wreck the parts, you just want to get them out so that you can fix them. So basically what we've got here is a special screwdriver bit for taking apart all of these. And this also fits the Type D soda siphons like that. So that also gets into there, gets into there, and allows you to take the valve out of the Type D as well. So it does all of these. So it's covering soda siphons from about the 1930 to around about 1960, I think, 55, 60, something like that. Allows you to service all of those. So that's hopefully a really piece of kit, and we've just launched that, and that should be available for sales from our website shortly. Thanks very much for watching. This video has been brought to you by Aquis Diamante, your source of sparkling water. Thanks very much.